And we're going to do a short video today just to make sure that everyone is getting caught up and is finding their way throughout the course. The first assignments are due on Friday, August 24th. So let's take a look at those real quick. Most of the time you'll see assignments show up over here in your to-do list. Okay, so you guys can see that there are two assignments here that are due on the 24th. So let's take a quick look at those. One is the orientation survey. If you open that, you're going to go into a quiz, and it's going to ask you to deal with some of the things that you should know about the syllabus. Okay, so you can answer these questions, and based on your reading of the syllabus, based on your readings of some of the things that are in the opening module. And once you're done with that, you click submit, and that will tell me that you have taken a look at the orientation survey. Okay, so that's one thing that needs to be submitted by tomorrow at 11:59. Okay, the other is the opening week discussion. So I'm going to click on that, and the instructions pop up, and it asks you to post a comment about yourself to the class. Tell us who you are. Once you've posted that information, comment on two of your fellow classmates' posts. So if you go in there and click reply, then it will open a text box and you can type your answer here. Okay, so which I'll do hello Emma. Okay, and once you are finished, then you click post. And I'm not going to do that because I don't want you to see that on the discussion board. But you click post and it will submit to the discussion board, and all of us can read it. Once you get into the discussion board, then you can go to other people's posts and click reply, and I'll go ahead and do it. So it will show it to me. And now I can go in here and click on other people's posts and click reply and comment on their posts. Okay. So those two things need to be done by Friday. And then, all right, let's go back to the home page, and you can see that some of these things are starting to pop up for chapter 16. Okay, remember that you gain access to your textbook by clicking on bookshelf and creating your bookshelf account, and that will give you access to the textbook. There are several assignments over here that will also require you to create a account with Macmillan, who's the publisher of our book. So, for example, if you click on that, it will ask you to open chapter 16 in a new window, and you have to enter your email address. Okay, and that it's reporting an issue because I'm not in the class, so because I'm logged in as a student. So let's get out of that, and we'll go back in so that you'll kind of see what it looks like once you've created your account. Then these Launchpad assignments will crop up. Okay, I told you guys in the opening video to make sure that you use your Heinz email address. Okay, so it opens up into my grading thing. Okay, so it won't exactly look like yours, but you need to make sure that you use your Heinz email address. Okay, it's actually best that you use it for your bookshelf account. Okay, so when you go into bookshelf and it asks you for your email address, okay, it's best to use your Heinz email address because that pairs you with the class. So you'll just enter in your Heinz email right there. And the same thing happens when you do your Macmillan client or your Macmillan login. Okay, you really need to use that email address, okay, to gain access to the course. Okay, so a couple of other things just to sort of remind you. Let's go back to the home page. Okay, make sure that you have done some of these things, that you have read the syllabus, that you've taken a look at this stuff, okay, and our important dates. Okay, and remember that over here we'll tell you things that are coming up. All right, when you need to have those submitted. Okay, all right. Keep going. I'll be checking on you guys over the next couple of days to make sure that you are submitting these assignments. The best thing that you can do now is, if you have turned in these assignments, is to go ahead and read chapter 16 in your text so that you're ready to tackle those assignments that are coming up shortly. Okay. All right. Have a good day.